Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here, and I'm here with Brianna, and she has an amazing company. What's it called?
The Cupcake Bakery.
Yeah, so she makes awesome bath products. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. I've used some of them, and they're awesome. We're going to do an acrylic pour. She's only done like 2 acrylic pours.
Yeah, literally.
And she is now working with me, so people that work with me have to do acrylic pours. And she's never used a split cup, so we're going to try out my split cup. So let's get started. You don't need to fill up the entire cup. This is a 10 by 10 canvas,
okay,
which I use about like 7 ounces, I think, of paint. Okay. And this is a 10-ounce cup.
Okay.
And you know what? I actually usually like to unscrew the tops. It's just easier. So you can use either a different color in each section if you want, or you can layer the colors in the sections. So like I'm going to put a little bit of white in 2 compartments there. And then I'm going to just go ahead and layer those. So this is like a metallic purple. I'll layer that in those same ones. I'm going to use just a ton of fun bright colors. This is a really fun orange. I like to kind of just do random.
Can I have that blue?
Yeah. And I'll try to list all the colors, but we're primarily using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, along with this pink is actually unicorn spit.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then this is a fluorescent purple that is from Blickrylic. So quite a few different types of paint here. Okay, so the cool thing about these cups is there's a ton of techniques you can do with them. So if you wanted to, you could do a flip cup, you could do a traveling tree ring, you could do a regular tree ring. One of my favorite things to do with these is, I don't even know what it's called. It's kind of a tree ring, but not. It's just like a straight pour, just not moving at all, pouring straight in the middle here. And it gives you this fun feathered design. It does take some patience. And you gotta kind of hold your arm there.
That's really cool.
You can do whatever design you want with yours. Just have fun.
I think I'm just going to try the same thing because...
Oh, there's a chunky in there.
I haven't done very many of these. Okay. You're just pouring basically into the middle, right?
Yep.
And then you tilt?
You got this.
Okay.
And then whenever you're like done, I usually just put my hand underneath, or do that,
Or yep,
because then you get those grips
weird little awkward
that you may or may not want.
All right,
you know, either way. All right, then just go ahead and slowly tilt. You can go in like kind of a circular motion like this, or you can kind of just start heading towards the corners. Just tilt slowly. You don't want to ever run off too much in any one direction before you're ready, or you run out of paint.
Okay.
And don't be afraid to run it off the canvas. Oh wow, I'm really liking these colors together.
Yeah, I really like the blue and the pink. I don't like the middle as much. We'll see.
Oh yeah. Isn't that peach color great?
It's really cool. Oh god, I love this corner over here with that blue.
Yeah.
The middle is kind of weird.
Now you just go wherever you like, or leave it.
I think we're good.
Perfect.
Oop.
Okay. Now one thing I've learned, after you're done, do not put your gloves over your canvas for any reason. Like, let's say you need to get a corner over here, you can go around. I've learned this the very hard way. And then to take off your gloves, you carefully peel inside out so that you don't fling paint back onto your painting. Also learned the hard way. All right, we'll touch up our sides and corners. We'll let these sit for a little bit, and then I'll bring everybody in for a close-up. All right, here is Brianna's. It is very beautiful with this purple and the blue. I think this is my favorite part over here with the peach, but this is her favorite part. That does look like a geode right there, or like an agate slice on the side. Yeah. And then here's mine. I am very happy with these colors. Super bright, super warm. Not normally my colors, but I'm going to have to do this color combo again. So there you guys have it. So Brianna, what'd you think?
It was fun.
Super fun.
Need to do this more.
Yeah. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Check out all the materials in the description, and I will see you all next time.